Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into an important topic for all coders, organizing your coding snippets in Notion. Let's get started. First off, create a new page in Notion and name it Coding Snippets. This will serve as the main hub for all your snippets. The reason we do this is to keep everything in one place, making it easier for you to find and manage your code. Now that we've done that, let's divide this page into sections according to the programming languages you frequently use. For instance, you can have sections like Python, JavaScript, or Ruby. This helps us because it categorizes your snippets, making it easier to find what you need when you're in the middle of coding. Next, within each language section, create individual code blocks for each snippet. You can do this by simply typing /code and then selecting your specific language. This is important because it allows Notion to maintain your code's syntax highlighting, which helps with readability and debugging. Now, this is where the magic happens. For each snippet, write a brief explanation about what the code does and in what context it should be used. This might seem like an extra step, but trust me, this is a lifesaver, especially when you come back to a piece of code after a long time. All right, here's what's happening behind the scenes. By following these steps, we are essentially creating a structured library of code snippets that are easy to navigate, understand, and use. Finally, another amazing feature of Notion you can utilize is tagging. Add tags to your snippets, like functions, loops, APIs, or anything that describes your code. This will make it even easier to find specific code snippets when you need them. And that's it, folks. With these steps, you've got yourself a well-structured, easy-to-navigate repository of code snippets right within Notion. It's all about maximizing efficiency and productivity. Remember, great coders not only write good code, but also organize it well. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding.